The Pine Belt is a great place to call home. The simple decisions we make every day can go a long way to making our community stronger. Every street of the Pine Belt is full of local businesses, and when we choose local and support these businesses, we can help them create jobs, strengthen the economy, donate to local causes, and support community services. Your choice matters. So choose local, choose the Pine Belt, and choose home.